Hi everybody. So for the next couple of days, we are going to be talking about tens and ones. If you did our math workout yesterday, you would have heard us going 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. I just knocked my elbow on the table. That was uncomfortable. So today, and then over the next couple of days, we're going to do more work with tens and ones. So I wanted to start, especially if your family is watching, by reminding you that in our Montessori classrooms, we often have these things called golden beads. And the golden beads are really helpful because they can help us visualize what 1,000, 100, 110, and then that tiny little unit or one, what that looks like, okay? A lot of the students in our elementary classroom also really enjoy using our base 10 blocks. They're bright orange, they look like this, and they do a similar thing. There are tiny little ones, there are 10 bars, sorry about that. There are squares that make 100 and cubes that make 1,000, okay? So for today, we're just gonna be talking about how you can use tens and ones at home. So let's say you were trying to add some numbers, or maybe you were trying to subtract some numbers, or maybe you were just counting something. Drawing tens and ones using shorthand is a really great way to keep track of those counts. Now, we've done this a lot in Orange Room. In Yellow Room, they haven't done this quite as much. They've done different things to do this work. So today, I'm gonna get everybody caught up and on the same page to talk about how you can make tens and ones. So let's say that I made a number like this, 47, okay? And I wanted to draw it using my shorthand tens and ones. I would draw my tens like long sticks, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then my ones would just be dots, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Now, I always really encourage you when you're doing your ones to line them up nice and neat with spaces in between to help you get an accurate answer. The other thing that I encourage you to think about is to start a line like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then stop and do 6, 7, and any other numbers down here so that it's easier for you to see when you make a 10, okay? But that's way less important than just getting really comfortable drawing these tens and drawing these ones, okay? So if you have your notebook with you, what I'd like you to do is to get it out, open up to the next available page, okay? We're gonna do 3 numbers. I'm gonna write the number on the whiteboard, and then you're gonna do your tens and ones in your notebook to see if it looks the same, okay? So pencil and your notebook. See you back here in a second. If you don't have that yet, pause. Are you back? Okay, so if you've got your notebook and your pencil, here's your first number. It's gonna be 36, okay? So you're grabbing out your notebook like this. With your pencil, you're writing that same number I just said, which is 36. Can you write it without looking? 36. Now draw your tens and ones to make that number. 10, 20, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So remember what I said. It's easier if you leave spaces in between your ones so they're nice and neat. And once you get to 5, make the rest of your dots down here so it's easier for you to see when you're getting closer to the next 10, okay? All right, get ready. Our next number is going to be 74. Can you do it? You're gonna get out your notebook. You're gonna remember that number. I said 74. And then we're gonna do our tens and ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, okay? Notice I didn't start another line because I hadn't gotten to the 5 and then kept going. Let's do one more for today. The last number we're gonna do today is 89, okay? So you're gonna get out your notebook and you're gonna write that number, 89. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Pause, go down to the next line. 86, 87, 88, 89. Okay, so let's count and check to see if our answers all look the same. 36 is like this: 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, check your next number. It's 74. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74. With me so far? Okay, so our last number is what? 89, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So you guys can see there's like this empty little hole down here, right? Where if I had one more dot, it would fill in and make a 10. Okay, so this is your bonus for today. Some of you guys would remember that if I filled in this last little spot there, it would exchange for a 10 because one more than 89 is 90, in which case we would circle it like this, right? We would group them all together. We would draw a little arrow like this, and then we would make another 10 bar right there. See how I did that? It's a little bit messy, but if you look close, you can see it, okay? And I'm going to cross off 89 because I took 89 and I made it into 90. If you didn't get that last bonus bit, that's totally fine. I will see you back here tomorrow for some more work with hundreds, tens, and ones. Bye, guys.